I don't know what happened. You put to rehab.
Oh, you explain to the video. Oh, you have to explain here.
Mas better. You put to
You rehab them all. Because they are all crazy.
number 1 is putting.
Bisaya pa po.
Number 1 putting. Right. Si Tak sabi niya, pinabaril niya lang ganyan.
Paparilin na.
Pinabaril niya. Alam mo bang pinabaril niya si Tak pag ano, yung talagang pinapraning niya yan, ginagano niya, Tak!
Ayun na.
Masakit ng tiyan ko dyan.
Ayun naman ang strike niya.
Snake is the thing.
Sige.
No, that's not snake. Crazy already.
Hey, Chris.
Crazy already. Crazy, ah. This.
You don't eat rice, huh? Rice. No. How many times I'll show you?
Only
You not
chicken.
eat rice.
Only chicken and the feather.
No. You eat only blood. Blood of chicken. Huh? Okay?
But why?
No, you use straw. Yeah.
You sit beside Ate Delia. We'll see if you're gonna fit in the video. Oh, it's still fit.
Then,
Kiss.
I will tie you.
Kaya ba?
Tama si nanay, oh.
Ring bearer.
Tama si nanay. Okay? Kiss the bride.
Kiss the bride.
Please. Oh,
Gusto mo galing?
Kiss the bride.
Wait,
How much they kiss?
you may kiss the bride.
How much they kiss the bride?
Oh, why there's a price for the kiss? If the price is right.
if the price is right.
Kalbo! Kaldo eh!
How to fucking the dog with chicken?
How to pack the pig.
Do you know how to make that?
Ipuputamos ang pig. Sabi niya, yung isa na
Siguro pag kaya naging boyfriend mo, yabang mo sa kundo, no? Kaya pag kaya naging boyfriend mo, yabang mo siguro. Yo,
It's in the
tingnan
video.
mo boyfriend mo ngayon.
Video.
Security.
I think
Ayaw
in-
ka na pupunta rito.
I think you need.
pipicturean ko nga to sa
I think you need the.
Hindi mo bibidyo ang dali ate. Eto, this is my boyfriend.
He will tell his friends that you are her boyfriend.
Siguradong titigas yan, matigas yan.
Ay, tangin na. Sabihin mo dyan, Ara!
Supot niya. Supot.
Subot?
Ay, hindi, matigas naman.
Supot yan.
Aray!
Ano naman? Again?
Hey!
Why you not cut?
Tanong mo ba't supot siya?
Hey, Chris, why you not cutting your penis?
What?
Your penis! Why you not cutting?
No cutting.
Circumcised.
Circumcised.
Not size, this skin.
Hindi! Na ano
Circumcised.
na raw siya?
Circumcised.
Na tuli na raw
Tuli.
siya.
Yeah,
Circumcised.
see?
You're a gay. Gay also, gay.
I'm not gay. You know,
Pokting and Bugoy are gay.
what's that? What are you doing?
Chris, hello. Will you marry me?
Shut the fuck up.
Kanina pa yan eh, ganyan ang ganyan.
Are you gay? Who is the gay?
Pokting.
Poking na.
Poking na. Hindi na pokting, poking na. Poking na.
Poking na.
Kuya, pakinggan mo to, hindi ka na pokting, poking na.
Lasing ka ba?
Are you drunk? No.
No. No, not you. Oh! Will you marry me?
Yes.
Yes. He's still alive. Kill first, kill.
You're just like a garapata.
Pinapapatay mo na. Ikaw pala akong sunado eh. Ano? Ano? Gusto mo pumunta ng London?
Oh, another one.
Mommy!
Mommy!
Mami.
No! I told you! Don't me like that! Too much jealous. No, no, mami.
No, mami.
Hindi magpapapicture ka.
No, mami.
Mommy.
Yes.
What you gonna say?
You're so bastos.
Ito naman.
Kalbo!
Gun, gun. Use the gun. Use your gun.
Use your gun. Use your gun. Use your
Use
gun.
your gun.
Interview mo na.
Kaya matatapan. Pag bumagsak yan. Hindi mamaya babagsak yan.
Pumapagod ka rin, Kalbo.
Hindi pa na eh.
Eh, hindi naman sila nagpipintura. Paano sila magpintura na gano'n
Eh,
lang?
paano matatapos yun?
Ano ganyan kailangan?
Paano
sila matatapos?
Paano matatapos si Buhay bili? Eh, paunti-unti lang bili.
Tapos, bibili ng alak. Marami.
Dami sa alak. Eh, di paano makapagtrabaho? Lasing na ako.
Paano siya magpipintura? Ang pintura niya, uy, umiikot.
Pinagamit niya ang roller. Yung roller, pang-hotdog lang. Sabi ko, para siguro kaya na mas malapad.
Meron nagpipintura doon, libre.
Andun nga yung binan niya eh, kahapon.
Nasa si Kalbo.
Ay, ang bilis mo gumawa, ang bilis mo nagpipintura. Kanina, naatakan pa lang eh. Sabi niya sa akin, ang bilis mo pinipintura niya na.
Sino? Si Tessie?
Oo, sabi ko. Oo nga, hindi nga ako pinapakain dito, gutom na kami. Ay, sa Lunes, dadala kitang buro. Ay, sige, ano ba kasama? Ano, yung bangus pa, yung... Ano, buro pa tilapia.
Best na ba lahat yung kambing dito?
Ha?
Dalaga yun. Bata pa. Uta, yung bugoy. Eh, ano naman, matanda na naman.
Teach me how to doggy.
Tinutulak mo sa akin ah.
40 plus pa lang yun.
Okay. Teach me how to pack the doggy.
Turo mo ngayon, teach me how to doggy nun.
Second first.
Tak. How to pack the doggy.
Hoy, ako dira. Chicken. In the car?
Chicken put in the car.
In the car?
And then,
And then?
pakin dito.
And then?
Chicken and dog ha.
Everybody watch.
You want to what?
Sabi mo,
You want to what?
chicken got pregnant.
Chicken pregnant? No.
Chicken? Chicken got pregnant.
No. You the one first. How? Pack in the chicken. And then after that, dog.
Albo!
Di ba tututo yun? Kami tatlo kausap na yung tularo.
Ano sabi niyan? Kaya pala matinuya tayo nung dumating dito eh.
Hindi mo yan. Tahimik na tahimik na.
Ngayon,
Eh, nung kami na...
What are you looking
sila
there?
ulo na rin.
Wala na.
BBC One?
Malapit na mag-crack ang ano niyan.
Nagra-radyo pa oh.
Wala. Kaya nga pinainit ko na rin. Lakas mo nyo lang din ha. Bili ko ng isang case na rin. Pagtingin sa rin, extra strong.